everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another top 5 series. This time we are talking about highlight. So I have 5 highlights here, ranging from different prices. You can get them at different places. I will go into it. I also have swatches of each one, which I will show you at the end so you can see. So let's just get on into it. So the first highlight that I want to talk about is a more recent purchase of mine that you would have seen in my Sephora haul. It is the Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Powder, and it's in this shade Euphoric Strobe Light. It's a very nice, like soft highlight that you can wear with Fix Plus. Like if you spray your brush, you can put it with Fix Plus and it'll like really brighten it up, or you can just leave it on and keep it more natural. But I really like this one, and this one you can purchase at Sephora. The next one that I want to touch upon is one that is purchased at Ulta, and it's the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. So it's the Big Gelato Swirl Illuminator in the shade Gilded Honey. I think it's really pretty. I really enjoy this sort of like champagne-y color shade. You'll see sort of like a theme as we go through, but I think this one's really cute and you can purchase it at Ulta. The next one is a more budget-friendly highlighter. This one is from ColourPop. It's a super cheap highlight, but it's in the shade Fanny Pack, so it's all like more of a white shade to it, not so much in the champagne color, but I think this one is perfect and it's a lot cheaper than the rest of them. The next one is one from MAC, and it's the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Oh Darling. It's kind of similar to the Laura Geller one and then the one that I'm going to mention. Again, it's in that same family, but I really think that this one like really amplifies when you put Fix Plus on it. So this is one that I only wear if I'm like really going for that like highlighted face, and I kind of like put this everywhere. But this one's really nice. You can buy it at MAC, so if you're in States or in Canada, then you can get it there. And the last one that I bought a long time ago, like when it first came out, is the Champagne Pop. This one I have is in the like duo with the blush, and you can see in my close-up swatch that like it's really getting down there. But yeah, this is the shade Champagne Pop, and then this blush is, I think it's called like Flower Child. Yes, Flower Child's a blush in case you're wondering, but this is the Champagne Pop. It's perfect. Again, it goes along with the Laura Geller and the MAC one, but I think it all kind of like goes with the theme, and Champagne Pop is like really something that you can amplify. You can put it all over. It's a classic one that if you're looking for a higher end highlight that you wanted to like really amplify, then and kind of like also go on the opposite end of being more natural, then this is the perfect one for that. So those are my top 5 highlights. They can all be applied with brushes. I usually end up using this Morphe M510 brush for my highlight. It's perfect. It's small enough that you can really brush it on, but it's also not super thick, and it's not really bushy, but you can spray it with Fix Plus and then it will really get it out there. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like me doing this top 5 series, then let me know in the comments below what you want next. I could do foundation, I could do brow products, I can do mascara. You let me know and then I will do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!